Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Desi butter at home. First, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh, heavy cream, a large mixing bowl, and a hand mixer. Make sure your cream has been sitting out for about 30 minutes to reach room temperature. This helps it churn more efficiently. Now let's start churning. Pour your room temperature cream into a large, deep bowl. Using a hand mixer, begin on medium-high speed. You'll notice the cream first becoming whipped, then it will start to look grainy. Keep mixing for about 10 to 15 minutes until the solids, which are your butter, separate from the liquid, which is buttermilk. Once the butter has separated, it's time to clean it. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to separate the solid butter from the buttermilk. You can save the buttermilk for baking or drinking. Next, place the butter under cold, running water and gently squeeze it. This process removes any remaining buttermilk, which helps prevent spoilage and improves flavor. Continue until the water runs completely clear. Your homemade Desi butter is almost ready. After washing, give the butter one final squeeze to remove any last drops of water. You can then shape it into a block, roll it into logs, or divide it into smaller portions for easier use. Store your fresh butter in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week, or freeze it for longer preservation. For more great tips and deals, including a link to those amazing socks, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.